What's up, everyone? My name is Param Nimatola, and I have a master's degree in marriage and family therapy. And in this video, we're going to be talking about 5 signs your teen is struggling with mental health. So if you're watching this video and you have a teenager, a loved one, an adolescent who's struggling and you just don't know if they are really struggling or not, hopefully this video is going to add some content and color to that thought process. So, number one, sudden changes in mood, such as irritability, sadness, and anger. Now, here's the thing. Adolescents go through this all the time. But if it's something that just hits you out of nowhere, it's out of the ordinary, it's something that you're not familiar with, it's something to kind of pay attention to. So, irritability, sadness, and anger beyond the normal level that you're familiar with your loved one. It's like, hey, something feels off. If it feels off, it is off. You know them better than anyone else. Number two, withdrawal from family, friends, or activities they once enjoyed. We have something called anhedonia, which is loss of pleasure in things that once produced pleasure. If an adolescent loved a specific activity or something that they engage with, and all of a sudden they're like, I don't want to do it anymore. It's a red flag. If they loved hanging out with certain friends and all of a sudden they're like, I don't want to hang out with them or see them anymore. Red flag. If they love being around their grandparents, aunts, uncles, cousins, and all of a sudden they're like, I don't want to be there anymore. Red flag. So it's a sudden change in that. The next one that we have is changes in sleep patterns or appetite. And adolescents are notorious for liking to stay up late. But if all of a sudden they're sleeping early and they have no desire to stay up late, or if they're staying up late because they can't fall asleep, or adolescents love to eat. And if they're like, I don't want to eat, I have no appetite, no desire, it's something going on potentially with their mental health. The next one is loss of motivation with school or responsibilities. When you see the grades start to take a nosedive, when you see their extracurricular activities start to take a nosedive, it's something is going on with them that is beyond understanding. That means it's something internal in their world that is happening to them. Pay attention to it. And the last one is increased secrecy, isolation, time spent alone. Adolescents like to have their own little world, but if all of a sudden their door is closed and it's locked all the time, if all of a sudden they're just isolating from you, their friends, their family, and they just want to be alone the whole time, don't leave, just leave me alone, leave me alone, leave me alone. It's something to pay attention to. So hopefully these 5 signs that I just shared with you are tips for you to understand if your adolescent is struggling or not. Keep coming back to these videos for more simple tips, suggestions, tools for working with your adolescent and helping them through any type of mental health challenge that they may be going through. Thank you for watching. See you soon.